Okay, alright, this is my new iPhone 13 unboxing. I gotta do it quick. This is my case. Black leather case. Very nice. This is the iPhone 13. So I had to activate it, so it's already kind of open. So what's different about this is like there's no plastic wrapping. It's just all pretty fine. But then how do you know it's like if it's sealed and nobody else opened it? There's like this like black tab and then you just rip it off slightly and slightly. I don't think they left it in there. Yeah. So it's like a green tab. It's like with your other Apple devices. So then open this. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is the graphite. It looks so beautiful. Just look at that. The power button right there. Volume buttons, the ringer. Just so clean for my. I'm upgrading from an A+, which is just really huge. Look at the speakers. The speakers are a little smaller. It reminds me of my graphite. So I'm recording this on an iPad Pro, and it reminds me of the graphite of the iPad. It's really nice. The nice cameras. I think this one has more cameras than my iPad, so it's even better. Wow. But the fingerprint stains are just really bad. It's just. I knew it was gonna happen, but it's just unavoidable with just stainless steel. I believe that's what it's made out of. And now look, it's just shiny black, reflective. So nice. So now let's click to turn it on. And then while we do that, let's see what else is in the box. This is a USB, and this is lightning to USB-C. And then what else is here? Oh, this is the SIM card ejector. And then this is, now they finally, what's it called? They finally got rid of, they're only giving one sticker now in the iPhone. But that's not much of recycling. Yeah. I wish they still had a block. I feel like I would use my iPad one or my Mac. I don't want to like overcharge it. There's nothing else in here. And then let's see, there's the wires. This is like glued on, so you can't even take off this. Wow, it's so nice. So, wow. So I think I've heard it was like already like included with iOS 15. So let's swipe up.